got your test results back. Your kidneys are failing and you need a transplant immediately. No disrespect, but I think you're making this a little too big of a deal. I don't think you understand. We need to find a donor immediately. I'll ask around, post an ad on Facebook Marketplace. We'll figure something out. Please don't panic. How bad is he? He has an acute viral nasopharyngitis.
No, my baby.
Which unfortunately means he does have a very bad cold.
Poor thing.
You'll need to take this doggy ibuprofen every 4 hours for at least 3 days. Calling into work right now. I'm gonna be out for the next few days. Oliver's sick. With thoughts and prayers, I know that we'll make it.